SIM card holder slot compatible with iPhone SE 2020/8 series A2275, A2296, A2298, A1863, A1905, A1906, including rubber gasket and SIM pin, black comprehensive repair kit, complete set professional high-quality SIM card tray and removal pin for easy installation compatible with iPhone SE 2022, A2783, A2595, A2785, A2782, A2784/SE 2020, A2275, A2296, A2298/8, A1863, A1905, A1906, A1907. Important, please check the model number of your device before purchasing this item. You can find the model type of your device on your device and/or in the settings. Easy installation, accurate replacement part used to replace the broken damaged part. Perfect fit. You do not need a technician to do it. High quality product by MMOBIEL, each part is tested before shipment, item in stock. In the description to get this product today at the best price. SIM card holder slot compatible with iPhone SE 2020/8 series A2275, A2296, A2290.